Hello everyone, this is Akash Gowde, Assistant Professor at Rajmata Jijau Shikshan Prasarak Mandals, Institute of Computer and Management Research at MBA Department. Today, I am going to discuss with you
the project management.
which is for the MBA second year, third semester. I hope you all will enjoy this session. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have any queries, drop me a mail. Let's start.
Hello everyone, this is Akash Gowde, Assistant Professor at Rajmata Jijau Shikshan Prasarak Mandals, Institute of Computer and Management Research at MBA Department. Today, I am going to discuss the subject Project Management, having subject code 308. This is generic elective university level subject. In that, I am going to discuss the chapter number 1, Overview of Project Management. Chapter number 1, Overview of Project Management. This is the third part of this chapter. Key points to be discussed in this chapter are choosing appropriate project management structure, implications of organization's culture, main causes of project failure. Let's see one by one. Choosing appropriate project management structure. If you want to make your project successful, that means the right choice of your project management structure is important. It is based on the following factors, such as on the basis of expansion, on the basis of magnitude of the resources to be invested, on the basis of sector, on the basis of objective, on the basis of productivity. See the first one. In case of the basis of expansion, if you are going to implement the project, that means see how much long the duration of the project is that. The second one, on the basis of magnitude of your resource to be investment. That means this is the small size of the product, medium size of your project and the big size of your project. Depending on that, choose the right structure of your project management structure. On the basis of the sector, in case of the basis of the sector, is the industrial project, is or agriculture project, is your educational project, is your health project, or is the social project. In case of the basis of objective, this is the social objective project or the economical objective project. In case of the basis of productivity, that means this is your directivity product project or the interactivity project. Depending on this factor, you must have to choose the right appropriate project management structure. You can also choose the appropriate project management structure based on the basis of nature of benefits, on the basis of government priorities, on the basis of dependency, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of location. See, in case of the basis of nature of benefits is your project is quantifiable or non-quantifiable. In case of on the basis of government priorities, is your project having a specific priority or your project having without any priority? In case of on the basis of dependency, is your project is dependent project or an independent project? In case of on the basis of ownership, means is your public sector project, is your private sector project or your joint venture project? In case of on the basis of location, is the project having the predetermined location or determined location or the project having the future determined location? You can also choose your appropriate project management structure on the basis of social time value of the project, on the basis of national policy, on the basis of risks involved in the project, on the basis of economic life of the project, on the basis of technology involved in the project. In case of on the basis of social time value of the project, you must see that project with present impact and project with future impact. In case of on the basis of national policy, you must have to see the project determined by inward looking policy or project determined by outward looking policy. In case of on the basis of risks involved in the project, you must have to see the high risks. Is there any high risk in the project? Is there any normal risk in the project or is there a lower risk of the project? In case of on the basis of economic life of the project, you must have see this is your long-term project this is your medium term project or this is your short term project. In case of on the basis of technology involved in the project, you must have C, high sophisticated technological project, or the project is advanced technological project, or foreign technological project, or this is your indigenous technological project. You must have to consider this element while choosing the appropriate project management structure. Also choose the appropriate project management structure on the basis of resource required by the project, on the basis of employment opportunities available in the project, on the basis of management of such project, on the basis of legal entity, on the basis of role played by the project. C. In case of on the basis of resources required by the project, you must have to see the project with domestic resources or a project with the foreign resources. In case of on the basis of employment opportunity available in the project, you must have to see the capital intensive project or labor intensive project. In case of on the basis of management of a project, C. The higher degree of decision making attitude, normal degree of decision making attitude, or low degree of decision attitude making will be required. You must have to consider these three elements in case of on the basis of management of project. In case of on the basis of sources of finance, like to see the project with, is there any project with the domestic financing, foreign financing, mixed financing, or the project with the financial institution. And the finally the last one, on the basis of legal entity, you must have to consider or see the project with their own legal entity or the project having without their own legal entity. You have to consider all these 20 elements and choose the appropriate project management structure. See, the implications of organization culture. Organization culture refers to the values, environmental factors, work ethics, goals, and social norms present within a company. The structure of the company and its various projects is shaped by organization culture. Projects that align well with the organization culture are easier to implement and have a greater chance of success, whereas projects that do not fit into the cultural norms of the business will be much harder to put off. As a business owner, understanding the implications of organization culture on project structure can help you to figure out which projects are worth pursuing. There are four implications of organization culture. The first one, management style. The second one, reaching comprises. Third one, planning and design. And fourth one, time management. Let's see one by one. Management style. It is different managers approach the supervision of their employees and team members in varied ways. Some managers use an autocratic style, which means that the culture of the organization is likely to have a clearly hierarchy and is heavily dependent on the tight control of resources and competencies. Other managers tend to have a more democratic style of leadership, and this has a strong implications for the structure of project. Domestic management empowers team members to come up with their own solution and be innovative in their approaches to solving problems. The second, research comprises. Along with the management style comes the ability of project team to reach comprises. The organization culture may encourage autonomous decision making, or it might leave major decisions to the project leader, who might not take kindly to put from others. Having several layers of management further complicates this if the manager do not employ open door policies. Third one, planning and design. Organizations that have a strict hierarchy tend to be more bureaucratic within. Third one, planning and design. Organizations that have a strict hierarchy tend to be more bureaucratic, which often amounts to additional red tape to in trying to accomplish projects. Horizontally focused organizations, however, impart a culture of teamwork and a stakeholders building in their structure. Stakeholders are also all the folks within a business or project team that contribute to its success. Involving stakeholders in planning and designing projects, their timelines and objectives often helps to make the actual work on the project easier. People like to feel as though they have a say in how things are managed. Then fourth one, time management. Organization culture can also affect the time management of projects. Some business setting and management style prefer traditional and doing things within a prescribed method. Innovative organization culture, on the other hand, encourage creativity and trial by fire. The trade-off is that an innovative company often lacks efficiency, within traditional companies able to produce more in a shorter amount of time because of their strict scheduling practices.